Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you a super easy way, look how cute, to create these beautiful Floral Doodles bookmarks step by step. I'm going to add all the links to everything that I'm going to be using here in the video in the description below. We're gonna get started right away, and I'm using watercolor paper. I'm measuring 2 by 6 inches, which is the size that I decided for my bookmarks. You can do them in whatever size that you want, and I'm using the Archer and Olive paper cutter to cut them to size. For the brush pens, I'm using the Night Bloom set from Archer and Olive as well, and I grabbed a scrap piece of paper to swatch the colors before I start doing the bookmark. That's just something that I like to do, and I'm using the broad side of the brush pen. Now I like starting in the corner, and I'm going to start by doing the stem and a few branches on either side, and that's where I'm going to be drawing the leaves. Alright, now that I'm done with the greenery part, I'm going to be using the Twilight Rose for the flower. And I'm going to start by doing a bunch of little dots, and this is going to be the center of our flower. For our petals, I'm drawing heart-like petals, and I'm going to be doing 5 of them, and I'm going to keep them fairly close to each other. Next, I'm going to be drawing the same flower but in a different direction, coming up top of the flower that we did previously. And we're going to start the same way with the stem, then the branches, and then the leaves. You can do as many or as little leaves as you want. I like to keep them balanced on either side. And now we're going to do the flower as well. Now to add a little bit more detail to the flowers, I went ahead and with the same color, I did an outline of the petals. For the next flower, I'm going to start by doing the stem, and then the leaves are going to be a little bit more elongated, and I'm using the golden ember to draw this flower. To fill up some of the empty spaces, I'm going to be drawing the same type of leaves for this flower. And we're going to turn the bookmark around and draw another flower in the corner. And then I'm going to do some greenery to fill out these empty spaces. And to give it a little bit more detail and character to some of the leaves and the flowers, I'm using the fine tip of the brush pen to go over an outline. I really love these bookmarks because they're really easy to do, and we're just using brush pens and watercolor paper. You can also use regular cardstock. You just want a type of paper that is sturdy enough to have durable bookmarks. And this is the final result. Let me know what you think. Moving on to the next bookmark, I'm using brush pens from the Snow and Stillness set. I'm using the Winter Green and the Green Earth. So I'm choosing 2 shades of green for this bookmark, and we're gonna keep it all greenery. I always like to start the doodles in the corner just because it helps me distribute all the floral doodles better after this. And we're just drawing branches and leaves. I'm gonna be interchanging between the 2 shades of green. And I think this creates a really beautiful pattern, and that it turns out beautiful and is super easy to do. And even if you don't do bookmarks, honestly, grab a piece of paper and start doodling this greenery. Is going to help you with the stress relief, because doing repetitive patterns on a piece of paper, it actually lowers your cortisol levels. And I turn these bookmarks into printable, so if you don't want to doodle from scratch, you can just grab the printable and start coloring. Or if you want a little bit more help tracing them and then coloring them, these bookmarks are also available as traceables inside my Patreon membership. And the link to my Patreon membership and to everything, once again, it will be in the description below. And there is always a point when I'm making these bookmarks that it is better if you just turn it around and start doodling from the other corner. This is how the greenery bookmark turned out. You can leave it like this, or you can add more details by outlining the leaves and the branches. I love how these bookmarks turned out. These are super fun and super easy to make. You can make this in like 5 minutes and keep them for yourself or give them as gifts. Alright friends, I hope that you enjoyed the video tutorial today and you learn how to create beautiful floral doodles, even if it's to create bookmarks like this, or maybe you start doing easy floral doodles inside your journal. Draw them everywhere because this is the best way and probably the easiest way to start being creative. If you made it into this part of the video, I know that you're one of the real ones that watched the whole thing, so you know the drill. Go ahead and comment with some floral doodle emojis so that I know that you watched the whole thing. Also, the best way to support me and this creative work that I do so that I can continue making more tutorials is with a like and subscribe. And if you have any requests for any other creative tutorials, be sure to leave it in the comments, because that way you give me ideas for other tutorials that I can make in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video tutorial. Bye friends.